Welcome to the Vita Living Products website. Let's make a group order using your computer. Select Group Order and start your purchase. If you don't already have a group added, you can create a group by adding the ID numbers of the distributors in the new group. You can add as many distributors to the group as you like, but you must add at least 2 existing distributors. The group order page includes a box for all the order information for each distributor in the group. Select Shop on each distributor's box to begin purchasing for that distributor. The next page is where you can select the product category you want to order from. Use the search bar at the top of the page to search for all products, or swipe and select on each category to see the products in this category below. Increase or decrease the order quantities of each product by selecting the plus and minus buttons. Choose each product as a single item or a case. A green block will appear on the top of the screen to indicate that the product has been added to your cart. To view items in the selected distributor's cart or start the checkout process, select the basket icon at the top of the page. Remove items if needed by tapping the X next to the product. You can change quantities for each product by selecting the plus or minus buttons. At the bottom of this page, you can also choose to clear cart that removes all the items from the selected distributor's purchases. Select Manage Group to go back to the group page. You can now review all the selected products for all the members of the group. Then select Place Order to move to the next step. Select a shipping delivery option. Do you want the group order delivered to one address or delivered to your nearest Vita Living Products branch? For branch delivery, select your nearest branch. Select door-to-door delivery and select Next to add a delivery address. Select Create New to add address details. Select Save to save this information. To add contact information, select Create New to add this contact information. Select Create to save this information. Select Next to move on to the payment page. Select the payment option. Please note, group orders can only be paid for via one bank account. Credit or debit card purchases will go through immediately. EFT payments need a reference number that will be provided at the end of the transaction. Select Next to see a summary of the payment and to finalize your order. Select Place Order to complete. The reference number for EFT payments will now be provided for your deposit. Congratulations, you've made a group order purchase using your computer.